Action.
QUARTETnary, the card game about the geological timescale, is on Kickstarter now. Start exploring the history of the Earth by checking out the link in the description.
Which is not the text.
Hi! Gave me a bit more enthusiastic.
This is gonna be a weird shot.
Silly scientists, all separately.
Silly scientists not included. Sit up, posture straight.
When the hell did plate tectonics start?
Who knows? No, it's not that.
Stick to the script!
Hello. It's me. I'm on fire.
Blooper reel.
That's also nice, actually. How long does it take one scientist to roll up a deck of
Too long.
cards? Welke hardstopper hij doen.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
Julia, do you have birds from the Jurassic Park period? No, the Jurassic period.
And then one day, I got it.
Oh my god, you're such a Carl Sagan. Can we say bad word on the internet?
No.
You know it's a $100 plant and $80 for those color proofs, right? Very nice.
Nailed it.
Don't forget to back QUARTETnary on Kickstarter. You rock!
Don't hate the play, hate the game. Except don't, because you put a lot of work into this.
Love the game.
Love the game.
Yeah, love the game.